Good morning, everybody. This is Afzal.
This is Samkit Jain.
8th class from Montessori Vidyanagar, Karnool. Our project is Poor Man's Car. We all know the car is the most prestigious one for the common person. It is the unreachable dream to the most of the people in this society after their own house. The reason? Its cost of purchase and cost of maintenance. Nowadays, every bank is coming forward to give loans and purchase car on EMI basis. Even if you purchase car on EMI basis, the monthly payment of EMI is very difficult to a middle class person.
We came with an innovative idea, converting our scooty into a special umbrella that protect us from hot sun and heavy rain. This is in different shape. That is because it is specially designed to withstand the heavy blowing winds in the journey.
Why we selected this project? In my view, it is the most innovative idea. Any individual having one scooty can convert into a car very easily. Very economical, zero maintenance budget. In future, we can convert this total system into the combination of electric and solar car.
Now we will explain how our project works. Phase 1 consists of circuit connection of fan and Bluetooth. We can see that fan is giving cool air to the total system. Bluetooth giving pleasant music to the rider.
Two consists of the shocking circuit, which is composed of power supply stage, oscillator stage and voltage boosting stage. In power supply stage, here AC is directly stepped down by AC capacitor, which means 12 volts is converted into 5 volts and it is rectified by the network of diodes which convert AC into DC. This DC is used for the charging of rechargeable battery. We can take directly DC voltage from the solar panel, which is used for charging the rechargeable battery. Oscillator stage. It consists of transistor and transformer. Transistor convert DC into AC and transformer step up it. Or voltage boosting stage. In voltage boosting stage, here voltage is further boosted by the AC capacitor for shocking purpose.
If anyone tries to take away umbrella, it gives shock. Assume that these two terminals of wires are the two hands of the person. You can see that it is giving shock.
What?
Third phase consists of solar panel with buzzer circuit. If anyone touch it or try to take away solar panel, it gives devil sound. You can hear it.
Advantages: low cost maintenance,
Fulfill the dream of poor man.
consumption of electric current with the use of solar panels.
More mileage compared to petrol car.
In addition, we can charge our mobile phones in the long journey. You can see here.
The phone is getting charged.
Conclusion. We would like to finally conclude that not only poor man's dream will be fulfilled in the low cost,
But also reduce in fuel consumption and increase in the nation's wealth.
ride our car,
Pride our nation.